Welcome to Makers Unveiled. In today's journey, we trace the remarkable evolution of sugarcane juice from its humble beginnings in ancient India to its status today as a beloved refreshment around the world. Watch closely as we delve into the meticulous process of extracting this sweet nectar from sugarcane, celebrating both the history and the craftsmanship behind this refreshing beverage. Today, we are more detached from our food sources than we were 1,000 years ago. Few of us work the land or grow our own produce. We visit local shops or supermarkets to sample the delights of the world. However, the experience of enjoying fresh, locally grown foods like sugarcane juice is something that remains unique to regions where sugarcane is cultivated. This concept of enjoying food and drink tied to local seasons and climates reminds us of the rich traditions and flavors that can only be experienced at the source. The story of sugar begins over 2,500 years ago in India, where sugarcane was first domesticated. Ancient Indian texts describe the extraction of sugar from the cane, which was then turned into a sweet syrup. This knowledge gradually spread to Persia, where the process was refined, and then to the Arab world, where sugar became known as a luxurious commodity. By the 8th century, sugar had traveled to the Mediterranean and was cultivated in regions like Egypt and Morocco. The Crusades helped introduce sugar to Europe, where it was initially considered a rare and expensive spice. However, even though sugar became an integral part of European culinary traditions, European countries were unable to grow their own sugar cane due to their unsuitable climates. Sugar cane thrives in tropical and subtropical regions, requiring warm temperatures and ample rainfall. As a result, European nations have relied heavily on imports of sugar and sugarcane products from countries where it is grown. Many countries across tropical and subtropical regions, including Brazil, India, Thailand, and their neighboring countries, have the ideal conditions to cultivate sugarcane and produce fresh sugarcane juice in season. These regions offer a unique opportunity to enjoy this refreshing beverage at its peak, directly from the fields where the cane is harvested. The evolution of sugarcane juice from its humble beginnings to a beloved refreshment around the world is a testament to its importance and versatility. Whether enjoyed fresh from the cane or as a key ingredient in various beverages, its sweet journey continues to shape culinary traditions and provide a refreshing taste in tropical regions worldwide. Here we see a vendor expertly preparing the sugarcane with a cleaver. This technique ensures the cane is ready to be stripped with ease and that the juicy inner core is exposed. Next, he chops off one end of the cane, making it easier to feed into the presser. To keep the cane fresh and clean, he then places the stripped cane in water, with the cut side up. This step ensures that the cane stays hydrated and ready for juicing. Now we move on to the next step. Here, a vendor takes the freshly prepared sugarcane stalks from the water, ready for the juicing process. Before the cane is pressed, the vendor prepares an ice bin and slices fresh limes, which will be added during the pressing process to enhance the flavor. With everything set, she feeds the hydrated cane and lime slices into the crushing machine. The powerful rollers press the cane, extracting the juice along with the citrusy zest of the limes. To extract every last drop of sweetness, the cane is passed through the machine multiple times. The vendor even folds the cane before feeding it through the rollers again, ensuring that all the juice is thoroughly extracted. Once the juice is extracted, it's strained to remove any remaining fibers and impurities. During this process, foam naturally forms on the surface. This foam is a natural part of fresh sugar cane juice and is often skimmed off to ensure a smooth, clean drink. The freshly strained juice is then poured over a cup of ice, perfect for a hot day. With a taste that's both sweet and refreshing, sugar cane juice is a true treat for the senses. Whether you're strolling through the market or taking a break from your day, sugar cane juice offers a delicious way to stay refreshed and energized. Thank you for joining us on this sweet adventure at the street market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we look forward to seeing you next time on Makers Unveiled.